the Newton Bike Shop, and we are going to go inside and talk to the owners and let us have them tell us what it is that they do here and what they provide and what they sell. So it is a great time to think about bikes and biking and being outside. It's warm and you can get some exercise and some fresh air. So we thought it would be fun to get to know these folks here who are providing Newton with a wonderful service for bikes.
Hey, I'm James,
And I'm Heather.
and we're at Newton Bike Shop in Newton, Kansas, located on 6th Street, right smack dab in the middle of Newton. And we basically do what?
We do bike service.
Bike service. So we do bike service. We also sell upcycled and used bicycles. We do sell new bicycles, but very limited on that. We mainly carry supplies, accessories, and things that you need for your bike. Our main mission is to get every person on a bike,
And
the
keep
only
you
way,
biking.
yeah, and keep you biking, and the only way to really do that is to keep your bike running and educate you, and that doesn't always cost money. So we're a little bit different bike shop. We basically don't care what kind of bicycle you ride or where you bought it at. We're not brand specific in any way, shape, or form, and our tune-ups are very inexpensive for multi-speed bicycles and single-speed bikes.
Yeah. We also have a salvage yard, so we often
Lots
can
of used
fix
parts.
Your bike very inexpensively with used parts. So
Most of us, like me, I don't like to buy things new all the time. Old is okay.
So it depends on what you need. So we're kind of centered around the individual and not around,
The bicycle
bicycle
industry.
industry is
Right.
a good way to put it.
We're a
So,
bike service center, but we're James and Heather at Newton Bike Shop on 6th Street. Come see us.
Yeah, we're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturdays, 10 to 3. Thank you.
Closed on Sunday.
Let's go biking this spring and summer, and if you need any help, come to the Newton Bike Shop. So I will see you next Monday